Hey, why struggle to come up with big ideas for your marketing? Other people can do it for you. And I'm going to show you an example worth $500 million. Here's the story. Once upon a time, there was a business called the HVLS Fan Company. They sold giant industrial fans. It was a commodity like gasoline or baking soda. They had lots of competition. When customers saw their fans for the first time, several of them blurted out, "Hey, those are big ass fans." The marketing manager was listening. He was bold enough to convince the owner to rename the company in the real, raw words of his customers. The name they chose was Big Ass Fans. Suddenly, they had no competition because there were lots of giant industrial fans, but only one big ass fans. The owner, Carey Smith, was pretty glad he listened because he later sold big ass fans for $500 million. Now, want to do the same thing for your business? Well, I can't promise you a $500 million windfall, but would a couple $1 million do for a start? If so, here's the secret. You don't have to think of great marketing ideas if you can hear them. By that, I mean listen to what your customers are saying when they talk about their problems and your solutions. You may think you're selling giant industrial fans, for example, but people may be buying big ass fans. But you'll never know unless you listen. So, how do you hear the voice of your buyers? Well, there are three ways. Number one, talk to them by phone or in person. Number two, review your blog comments and social media. And three, analyze testimonials and reviews about your business. And what do you do with the words of your buyers? You use their language in all of your marketing: product names, company names, web pages, slide decks, phone scripts, emails, videos, direct mail, brochures, etc. etc. This is a concept I call voice of the buyer copywriting. It's a way to trigger new sales in your business that's predictable, profitable, and proven. You might want to give it a try. Be sure to like and subscribe for more marketing tips like these, and thanks for watching.